Hello, mathematicians. DOG and I are very excited to do our first set of notes. Before you copy these notes, what I want you to do is sign on to Canvas, go to Statistic Vocabulary, and then find the template. When you find the template, you will see a picture that looks like this. I want you to copy all this down. So when I am going over the notes, then you can just fill in the blanks instead of trying to write everything down. So you should have everything written down on this piece of paper before you continue watching the video. So you should pause the video right now if you don't have it. Okay, welcome back. So hopefully you have everything written down. With that being said, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video and you can rewind it. That is one of the benefits of watching these videos versus doing it in class. In class, I might be going too fast and you are too shy to ask me to stop. Here, you can stop and learn at your own pace. Okay? So, statistic vocabulary. The mean. Oops. And I'm doing this on my phone, as you can see. So I'm sorry if it's a little shaky. I'm going to try to figure out the best way to do the notes for the rest of the year. But the mean. The mean is also known as the average. To find the average, you're going to add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. So my example is if we had 4, let's say 5, 8, and 3. To find the mean, you would do 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3, and then you would divide by the number of numbers. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 numbers. So I'm going to divide by 4. Okay. You can pause this video and see if you can add up. What is 4 plus 5? 9. 9 plus 8? 17. 17 plus 3? 20. Perfect. So 20 divided by 4. Okay, if you need a calculator, go find a calculator or you can find it on Google as well. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the mean is 5. If you need to rewatch this part, please do. Okay, the next is median. The median is the middle number. How I think of that is when you're driving down the freeway, you see the median, the thing that divides the lanes going north and south or east and west. Okay, and that thing is called the median. It's the middle number. You place the numbers in order and find the middle number. Okay, this is where it gets tricky. If even amount of numbers, find the average of the two middle numbers. So what I mean by that is we're going to do 2 examples. My first example is going to be 1, 3, 10, 7, well, and then, are those numbers in order? No, so we have to rewrite them so they are in order. So it would be 1, 3, 4, 7, and 10. Then I'm going to cross them out. 1 and 10, so lowest, highest. Then the next one, 3 and 7. Well, the median number in this set of data points is 4. And this is when it is odd numbers. When it's odd, it's a little easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is an odd number. It makes it a little easier. Let's do an example where then we have an even number of numbers. Let's do 1, 3, 10, 15. Are those in order? Yes. I'm making it a little easier for you. So they are in order. Let's cross low, high. Oh no. We have these two numbers in the middle. So what we need to do is find the average of these two numbers like we did for the top. So I'm going to add 3 plus 10. And oops, it's a 10. And how many numbers are we adding? 1, 2. We're adding 2. So 3 plus 10 is 13. Sorry, I'm going to move my camera in a second. 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. So the middle number is 6.5 in this case. So that is even. Okay. So if you have an odd number of numbers, in this case we had 5 numbers, you just find the middle number. If it's an even number of numbers, like in this case we had 4, you have to find the average of the two middle numbers. The mode, number that appears most often. How I remember that is M-O. Most often, mode, M-O. Okay. If they all appear equal amounts, no mode. There shouldn't be a period here. I don't have whiteout. I apologize. If they all appear equal amounts, no mode. Okay, so let's do our example for this. 1, 3, 8, 5, 3. Well, what number appears most often? Yeah, they're not in order, but we can look at it. 3. So 3 is the mode. Okay. Range. Difference between the lowest and highest values. So let's use the same data points that we used that we had on the top. We had 1, 3, 8, 5, 3. Well, what is the highest number? 8 minus, what is the lowest number in this case? 1. Well, what is 8 minus 1? 7. So the range is 7. Okay? So remember, you can stop the video, you can pause it, you can rewind it, all the things. Make sure you take a picture of your completed notes. Your completed notes should look like this, and then you can upload it to Canvas. If you have any questions, please email me or come to class, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Next, you should look at the histogram notes. Okay, see you soon. Bye.